Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth year after year, while others work just as hard but still struggle financially? Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is there something else? In today's video, we'll explore some of the habits and principles that many financially successful people have in common. These ideas won't make you rich overnight, but they can help you think differently about money. Welcome to Wealth Nest Africa. Let's begin. The biggest myth, one of the biggest myths about becoming wealthy, is that you need a very high income, while earning more can help. Income alone doesn't determine wealth. Imagine two friends who each earn the same salary. One spends almost everything they earn every month. The other saves part of their income, avoids unnecessary debt, and invests consistently. 10 years later, their financial situations may look very different. Not because one earned more, but because they manage their money differently. Money should work for you. Many people spend their entire lives working for money. Financially successful people often look for ways to let their money work for them. This can include investing in businesses, stocks, real estate, or other assets. Every investment carries risk, so it's important to learn and understand what you're investing in before making decisions. The goal isn't to get rich quickly, it's to build wealth gradually over time. The power of compound growth. One powerful concept in finance is compound growth. It means that your money can potentially earn returns, and those returns may also earn returns over time. Starting early and staying consistent can make a significant difference over many years. That's why many investors focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. Keep learning. Financial education is one of the most valuable investments you can make. Reading books, learning new skills, and understanding how money works can improve the decisions you make throughout your life. The more you learn, the better prepared you'll be to recognize opportunities and avoid common mistakes. Conclusion: building wealth usually isn't about finding a secret. It's about developing good habits, making informed decisions, being patient, and continuing to learn. Every financial journey starts with a single step. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Wealth Nest Africa for more videos about money, investing, business, and financial education. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.